Okay friends, let's make some heart-shaped bacon. So all you do is take a slice of bacon and you fold it to where the two ends come in to a curve, and you'll pinch them together, and then you'll pinch the end together and just transfer it to your rack. And that's all there is to it. Okay, and now here we'll do another one. So take your bacon and just fold it, and then bring it over, put it on the pan, and ta-da! So then we'll put them in the oven and let them bake into crispy little hearts. Okay, so I left them in just a few minutes so they would get soft, and I'm gonna go in and just reinforce the shape. They're not that hot, so you can easily do it with your hands, just to reinforce it so that when it continues to really bake and crisp up, it keeps its shape. Okay, I think our bacon hearts are good to go. Look at those. Oh, that's awesome. They look good. Careful, careful. Take them out. And I mean to tell you how cute are those.